Why did America buy Alaska from Russia? Imagine buying a piece of land so large that it could fit several countries inside it for just $7.2 million. Today, that sounds impossible. But in 1867, that's exactly what happened. The United States bought Alaska from Russia in one of the most surprising deals in history. At the time, many Americans laughed at the purchase. They called it Seward's Folly or Seward's Icebox. They believed America had wasted millions of dollars on nothing but snow, ice, and polar bears. But history would prove them completely wrong. So why did Russia sell Alaska? And why did America decide to buy it? Let's find out. To understand the deal, we need to go back to the mid-1800s. At that time, Alaska belonged to the Russian Empire. Russia had claimed the territory decades earlier. Because of its valuable fur trade, Russian hunters made huge profits from sea otter fur, which was highly valuable around the world. But over time, the situation changed. The sea otter population declined, profits dropped, and Alaska became expensive to maintain. The territory was incredibly remote. Supplying soldiers and settlers required long and dangerous journeys across the Pacific Ocean. Instead of making money, Alaska started costing Russia more than it earned. Then another problem appeared. Russia had just lost the Crimean War. The war weakened the empire financially and militarily. Russian leaders feared that if another war broke out with Britain, British forces from neighboring Canada could simply invade Alaska. If that happened, Russia might lose the territory without receiving anything in return. So they came up with another idea: sell Alaska before someone else takes it. But who would buy such an enormous frozen land? There was only one realistic customer: the United States. The story of the Alaska purchase. In 1867, the United States made one of the most surprising deals in history. It bought Alaska from Russia for $7.2 million. At the time, many Americans thought the purchase was a huge mistake. They called Alaska a frozen wasteland and believed the country had wasted its money. But Secretary of State William Seward saw something different. He believed Alaska had great potential because of its location, its natural resources, and its importance for future trade and security. After the purchase, Alaska remained quiet for many years. But in 1896, gold was discovered near the region. During the Klondike Gold Rush, thousands of people traveled north, hoping to find fortune. Later, Alaska became even more valuable. Huge amounts of oil, natural gas, minerals, and fish made it one of America's richest regions. Alaska was also important because of its location near Russia. During the Cold War, the United States built military bases and radar systems there to protect North America. Today, Alaska is seen as one of the smartest investments in American history. The land that many people once laughed at became a place of wealth, power, and opportunity. The Alaska purchase shows that sometimes decisions that seem like mistakes at first can become some of the greatest successes in history.